Okay, good morning, afternoon. Welcome to today's walking tour. We are at the Eden Village Hotel and Spa. It's low season at the moment. I've just been speaking to the nice lady at reception. She just showed me the pricing structure, and rooms start from I think 2,200 for bed and breakfast. So I'm just going to walk you through. It's not a room tour, it's just a tour of the grounds itself. I've never been here before, so I don't know where I'm going, so if I get lost. So reception is up here where I just was. Main entrance from the road, where you get dropped off. The deluxe villa, I think it sleeps around about 5 people, is around about 33,000 a night, so that's quite expensive. And quite a lot of other room options. Oh, let's have a quick walk down there, I don't know where I'm going. You can just see through beyond here. These rooms behind the wall are swim up pool rooms. You can't really see it from here, but morning.
Morning.
Cooking classes, happy hour. Looks like the travel information desk for trips. Just pan through so you can see. Romantic dining on the beach. Kayaking, Thai boxing in the area. Looks like a games room. Foosball and pool. Looks like they've got some books here to read as well. There we go, a little library. This looks like a children's area for entertaining the children. Let's get a quick shot through the door. Will it open? Yeah. There we go. Very quiet at the moment. It's lovely cool in there, well air conditioned. Okay. Let's go. Walk down the steps. These are all the rooms. More rooms here. You can see a swimming pool through that window, so that looks like where there's a pool. Wander around. Oh, let's go up this way. We're on top of somewhere here. There we go. Obviously these are swim up rooms. Walk you over to the edge. Spa down there. A river with fishing. And what looks like to be the main pool down at the bottom. Okay. Filming this in June at the moment. So it is low season, so it's fairly quiet. The weather's beautiful today. Can be a bit hit and miss this time of year. If you do like and like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It does help with the YouTube algorithms. Gym. There's like nobody in, very quiet. All the fitness equipment, free weights, running machines, other instruments of torture. Lovely and cold in there as well, great aircon. Okay, it looks like we're heading down to the main pool area now. I've been walking down the steps, but it does seem to be, there is a road that runs around everywhere. There we go, and see on this side as well. So I think there is ramp access in most areas. I'm just choosing to walk down the steps because I have no idea where I'm going. Current promotion. This up here looks like a restaurant. I'll walk up there shortly. Cafe. Ah, a lovely decorative pool area with lots of what look like carp. Big goldfish. Like the beach bar. Drinks and snacks. Go for 11:30 till 9:30. Morning, how are you? Good, having a good walk round. Drinks promotion. Very hot today. Hot. There we go. There's an overview of the pool. Staff seem really friendly. There we go, I think that's the main restaurant up there. Looks like we've got another beach bar at the very front. And I'll walk around the pool area. I'll go all the way around to the beach. And I'll conclude the filming when I get to the beach. Swim up pool. been through a few of the hotels in the area. Some of the hotels are much quieter than this one, and some of the facilities aren't being used, but it's low season here, and yeah, obviously they've kept the pool bar open, which is good. The sea breeze does make all the difference because it gets quite humid. Areas to get a massage. All covered. And these look like premium rooms with sea view and swim up pools there. And onto the beach. Nice big long beach. Lovely breeze here. And back to the hotel again. Looks like for the outdoor dining. The yellow flag is up today. That's the first time I've seen it. It's been red flag for the last nearly 3 weeks. Draft beer, 100 by the glass. Hello! What time do you open?
Yes,
What time? 10? 11?
sorry.
Time in the morning. What time do you open?
Let's all open start 11:30 to 6:30.
11:30 to 6:30 open. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, there we go. I'll conclude the video here. So that's just a walkthrough tour. There might be areas I've missed, but it just gives you a general overview of what the hotel has to offer. As I say, if you like this kind of concept, please like and subscribe. Everything does help. I'll just pan you through this menu, give you an idea of what they offer for the bar here. Okay, I'll conclude the video there. I hope you like, and look forward to thank you for viewing, and I hope you come back to the channel and look at my next videos.